I have to show you this magnetic calendar set because it has seriously changed the way my family stays organized. Everything is 100% magnetic, so the calendar, the little list boards, even the markers and erasers, they just stick right to the fridge. Installation literally took me 5 seconds. The calendar itself is oversized. It's 17.5 inches, which means I can see it from across the kitchen. The boxes are big enough that I can fit in school events, sports, work stuff, sometimes all in the same day. And it doesn't feel cluttered. It comes with everything you need. The big calendar, 3 bonus list boards that we use for groceries, chores, random notes, plus 8 colorful markers. I've even started color coding. 1 color for each kid, another for me, another for my husband, so it makes it so much easier to keep track. And the best part, it wipes totally clean. No ghost marks, no stains, even after a whole month of writing and erasing. Honestly, it kind of makes planning so much more fun instead of stressful. And in my house, on the same page.